Alrighty, got the Taurus Public Defender Poly 2.5 inch barrel. First time shooting it. I got some number 9s for your everyday snakes in the woods. I have a double lock buckshot. Oh, I got 3 9s, 1 double lock buck, and 1 PDX1. So this is my first time shooting it, so see how it go. I jerked like crazy.
Where did he shoot that 45 Colt?
That's my problem right there.
The Misfire? You bought some old stuff?
I still got 2 in there. What happened with that?
Shoot him again. Run through it again.
There you go.
PDX?
Yeah, that was PDX. That kick hard. I'm going to that barrel, that book up there.